I wanted to give you my thoughts on the MAVIC Air 2 controller. There's been a lot of flack over this just because of the size. People, you know, some people don't like the size of it, but I got to tell you, I think it's pretty awesome personally. I mean, of course, now you've got the smart controller out with the cool screen on it, so look that one up too. That one's pretty awesome. But I think as far as feel, this is a pretty good controller. It's got it, you know, the little joysticks are down here that you can pop out and screw them in on the top there. Also has a return to home button right there, power button. Tripod mode that you can switch over to there, you know, just for that kind of like, not quite cinematic footage, but it just kind of slows it down. And then normal and sport modes. I use the iPhone here, and every single time I would use the old MAVIC Air controller, I would have to take the case off. It drove me nuts. So what's cool about this controller is I can actually just pop it up right here. Like that. It's a little springy. But what I love is this right here. I can put the iPhone in, slide it up. It's simple to get in there. I don't gotta like push the two arms down. It pops right in there and it's just solid. That's way better. So I don't gotta worry about the phone falling out. It's solid in there. I've still got the case on there. Just a super design for, you know, for me personally, but I think it's pretty cool. You still got your record and picture button on the top. You've got this wheel right here on the back, the speakers there. Like I said, not too shabby of a controller. If I get any other thoughts, I'll be sure to let you know. But for right now, I'm a fan.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is